What's up, guys? Doing another Star Wars Galaxy Heroes tutorial real quick. And kind of this is one of maybe the frustrations that I have and a lot of people have. So here we are. Let's go back into Squad Arena because I'm going to do one of my two matches today to finish off my checklist of the day. So I'm going to take this team on the far right over here. They have their number 424, and their power is 70,000, but they have Thrawn, right? And they're geared up just kind of mildly, and you can see I have like 80,000 on my power, and they have 70,000. But there's a good likelihood this team is actually going to beat me because of Thrawn. So Thrawn is definitely one of the most powerful characters in the game. This is a good example of when the power of the team doesn't necessarily reflect what they're going to do to you. Night Sisters can be that way sometimes too, and so can the Phoenix team sometimes. It just really depends, but now, see, his Vader got to go first. So I have speed down now on all my guys. Tarkin just debuffed them all. Palpatine just shocked them all. So I'm getting wrecked. And this is why I probably will not be able to beat that team, because his Vader went first. And then all his other guys got to go fast. Alright, so finally I get to take a turn, and I'm just going to go auto. Target Thrawn over here, because he's like the center of who's wrecking me. Alright, got rid of him. Let's get rid of Tarkin so I can stop the turn meter reduction. God, the turn meter reduction. You know, I have slowdown on Palpatine, and he was shocked, so even though he tried to heal, it did not work. So, alright, we got to get rid of that Palpatine too. And preferably Boba Fett needs to make the kill so he can come back to life. Oh no. Alright, well, there's no way now. Yeah, my Vader's not geared up enough to beat his Vader, so he's got slowdown on him, but it's just Vader on Vader here. I got ability block, and despite having 80,000 more than him, this is oh man, am I gonna pull it off? Wow, by the skin of my teeth. So 10,000 galactic power points more, whatever it was, to barely squeak by with those dudes. Yeah, that was rough. And Thrawn was the key there. If you take a look at my team, I'm using Boba Fett to try to give me a little bit of an advantage every once in a while, because he can come back to life at least once. And God, gear's the problem. You can get 7-star level 85 fast, but getting gear in arena is just tough. You got to go in there and fight it out, and don't put on just on auto. Reselect who you're targeting. So anyway, I'll do the arena, fleet arena next. All right, thanks guys.